Do this one thing, and watch how everyone fall for you instantly. Do you want to know the fastest way to make people love you instantly? Most people waste months trying to win others over by being overly nice or constantly seeking approval. But the real secret is one simple move. Make people feel genuinely important. I learned this years ago watching a man at a networking event who wasn't the most attractive or best dressed, yet everyone gravitated toward him. His trick? He made each person feel truly seen, heard, and valued without fake flattery. You can do it too. Lock in with warm eye contact. Ask questions that let them reveal something they're proud of, and then acknowledge that achievement publicly. This works because of the association principle in psychology. People might forget your words, but they never forget how you made them feel. Use it with strangers, friends, or even those who dislike you, and you'll notice how quickly their defenses drop. Try it today with just one person, and watch their entire energy shift. The truth is, love and admiration aren't earned through looks or money, but through moments that make others feel unforgettable. And when you can give that, you'll stop chasing people's love and start attracting it effortlessly. Now listen, if you want to become powerful, then subscribe to Psychology Decode and watch how your life transforms. Until next time.